can ZCash become private money? So ZCash is a optional privacy coin. It's basically a privacy coin, but it's optional to the point where you can, it's a fork of Bitcoin with an option to turn on privacy. I know, Bill, you've kind of been talking lots about privacy coins. Could you kind of maybe share your stance on that?
I'd be happy to. So not to overstate the point, okay, but this is a coin-based product, right? I have a chart target of 88. Okay. And eventually there's going to be demand across the board for privacy coins. First it was Monero, right? And then ZCash is starting to pick up. Now, this is sort of interesting territory because I don't know how Uncle Sam is going to react if ZCash goes to 200. But it is clear from looking at this, like if you look at, say, a 1 week chart, okay, that essentially everything I've drawn on the ZCash chart can't even be seen because, watch this. Almost done. Look where it came from. This is this whole idea that small coins can go up, big coins can go up a lot. Like ZCash used to trade at 275. Like ZCash topped up here at 350. Somebody says, why can't ZCash trade at 350? There's no reason, right? I mean, it was there before, right? And now we're invoking the token metrics axiom, the bigger the base, the higher in the space. ZCash has done nothing for 2 straight years, right? I mean, what happens one day when that tidal wave of money comes in? And, you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these coins are going to play a big role in DeFi. It's not going to be just wrapped Bitcoin. It's not going to be just wrapped ETH. It's going to be all these other coins are going to be used in the DeFi system to generate returns. They're going to become collateral, right? And I know that nobody processes that really, because even though people love cryptocurrencies, they only think about them going up in price. But there's a psychology to it that's important. So can ZCash become private money? Oh, yeah. Can ZCash become money, period? Oh, yeah. It doesn't have to be private. It could. That's nice. But, you know, yen, euro, dollar, sterling, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, ruble, real, peso, renminbi. You're going to have crypto company, right? They're going to have crypto. They're going to have like, okay, you know, like Coke and Pepsi, Bitcoin and dollar, just fill in the blanks all the way down the fiat chart, right? Poor fiat car company. They sent out a tweet to Bitcoiners or crypto people. They're like, hey, why do you guys hate us? You know, hey, whenever it says fiat, everyone's talking about the car company. No, folks, we're talking about multiple currencies in a huge, like, you know, if you Google the daily turnover in the foreign exchange markets, it's massive, right? Mm-hmm. So if little cryptocurrencies come along and start to, you know, not necessarily compete, but give people, you know, an alternative. So I'm seeing here on Google, the daily turnover per day in the fiat FX markets is 5 trillion per day. That's the turnover. That's the volume in the foreign exchange market. 5.1 trillion.
Yeah, that's huge.
Right. I mean, if, you know, and we're all like, oh my God, you know, alt market cap is is 200 billion. Oh my God. There's 12 billion locked up in DeFi. Stop it. Stop it. I mean, it's like a, you know, it's like a little sprout growing out of the ground, and it's going to eventually wind up being a huge redwood tree.
I like that. Huge redwood tree. All right. That's a great take there, Bill. Let me see what else I wanted to cover. Yeah. All right. So tell us what you think down below. We'll get to the next